So guys, I am in Thane railway station. It's around 11 p.m. Yes, post 11 p.m. I have two heavy bags with me, and I could not take the regular stairs. It would have been too uncomfortable for me owing to my leg injury. So I thought that I will take the escalator and just look at the state of escalator. The one going downward works and the one going upward does not work. Well, this is inconvenient. I hope concerned authorities take care of this. For now, I think I'll just drag my bags